In this tutorial, we're going to give this a nice looking outline into Excel 3D effect using Adobe Illustrator 2023. So move to Window, 3D and Materials, come to Object first, going to Inflate. I'm going to give my depth 309, then volume, I'll leave it at 90. Leave everything here 0, then move to lighting. Intensity, I'm going to give it 106. I'll leave rotation at 145. My height, I'll leave it at, give it 36. Softness, I'll leave it at 40. Then your ambient light intensity, give it 99. So this is, I'm going to leave. You can choose to play with the shadow, but I don't want to use shadow here. Then you come here for render. So let's render and see how it's going to look like. Here, this is our text. Cool, right? How do you see it? Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please do also subscribe, comment, like. Thank you very much. See you other time.